What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of College Investing with Kyle. I think we all know why we're here today. Dogecoin. All right, all jokes aside, tons of you guys were requesting crypto down in the comments last time. Alrighty, I also had a couple of personal requests, but I wanted you guys to have this video because I think it's super important. It'll make you think twice before you invest in any sort of cryptocurrency. Unless it's Dogecoin. Because that thing's going to the moon, baby. Kidding, of course. Anyway, stick around for some very important information on cryptocurrency and how you can get some free cryptocurrency in the link in the description below. As always, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel down below. It helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Thanks so much for everyone who's been supporting. Let's get it. I don't know why we're doing this video. You've been hearing about it in the news a lot recently. It's Dogecoin. But in all seriousness, for anyone who doesn't know anything about cryptocurrency, here's a brief summary. So cryptocurrency is a digital form of currency that you can use to buy goods and services online, and as all transactions are verified by a very high-tech ledger. Now, one of the reasons why people like cryptocurrency so much is that it's decentralized, meaning that it's not tied to any foreign nation and can't be subject to any form of inflation. Now, due to cryptocurrency being so new, you've seen lots of volatility in the markets, especially this past weekend. This past weekend, there was what we call a flash crash in the cryptocurrency market due to there being a coal mine explosion in China, which cut the rate of mining of Bitcoin and other subsequent cryptocurrencies. Due to this, there was a $310 billion market capitalization drop in all of cryptocurrency in less than 24 hours. Now, with any foreign national currency, you would never see a drop in prices like this in just 24 hours. However, with cryptocurrency, this is why tons of people are very skeptical. With the US dollar or any other form of currency, you have the faith and trust of that government that they will pay you back for what that dollar is worth. However, there's nothing backing cryptocurrency, which brings us to Dogecoin. Now, I'm sure you guys have all seen the meme of the very cute Shiba Inu dog circulating the internet in the past couple of years. And now that's what this currency is based around. A joke. It's just Doge. Yes, it is true. One of America's favorite cryptocurrencies was all based around a joke started by Billy Palmer and Jackson Marcus. However, this cryptocurrency last week, in April 16th, hit a market capitalization of over $70 billion. Now, Dogecoin's meteoric rise has been due to Elon Musk tweeting about it way too much. Now, this cryptocurrency is super new and super fun. However, there are tons of risks to it, and that's what I'm here to present to you today. Now, obviously, there's upsides of cryptocurrency, especially Dogecoin, because, Dogecoin's going to the moon. However, one of the main points around cryptocurrency is that it's supposed to be a decentralized asset, while in this case, one account holds over 27% of all Dogecoin, making it not that decentralized. Additionally, the top 20 holders of Dogecoin contribute to around 50% of all Dogecoin in circulation, which is why tons of people think that this thing's not going to reach the moon and come crashing down into orbit before that. Finally, the mining rates of Dogecoin aren't that profitable, which is why Dogecoin's really just uses tipping or donations and hasn't been really a viable currency. Next, we have Ethereum. Now, in the past year, Ethereum has seen meteoric rises, rising over 1,300% to the current valuation that it sits at of the second largest cryptocurrency in the world, only behind Bitcoin. Similar to Bitcoin, Ethereum acts as you can buy and send this cryptocurrency. However, there's no third party overlooking all of the transactions. One of the reasons people are so bullish on Ethereum, myself included, is for its long-term potential. Now, this potential lies in the fact that it is helping process online financial transactions and people's online data. Furthermore, it alleviates the need for a third-party company to step in and store data, transfer mortgages, or keep track of complex financial instruments. For this reason, we've seen price targets from analysts ranging anywhere from $10,000 per token all the way up to $1 million per token. The possibilities seem endless for Ethereum, and this is why I think I will be investing in it in the near future. Next up, we have the big one, Bitcoin. Now, similar to other cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin gets its appeal because it is a decentralized form of currency and a new way of buying things. Now, the reason it has had such meteoric gains in comparison to the other cryptocurrencies and why it's the largest is because of its ease of use and its super tight blockchain security network that's backing it. Now, Bitcoin's meteoric rise has been due to the fact that companies are now allowing you to pay in Bitcoin. Microsoft is allowing you to pay on the Xbox platform, and Tesla is allowing you to purchase cars with Bitcoin, making the form of currency more of a reality. On top of that, you have companies from Tesla to Square adding it to their balance sheet as an asset. With all the craze around cryptocurrency, I think Bitcoin is deemed to be the front runner and will continue its acceleration. With all of that said, obviously Bitcoin is still highly volatile, but due to the fact that it has tons of individual investors, it really makes it decentralized, and why tons of investors are really excited about it. Up next, we're looking at a platform where you can buy cryptocurrency on, Coinbase. Now, as you probably all know, Coinbase has been in the news a lot recently due to the fact that they just recently IPO'd. Now, I'll get into all my thoughts later about what I think around Coinbase's stock and where I think they're going to go if I bought on IPO day, if I'm going to buy, in another video. Anyway, Coinbase is the leading platform for buying, selling, and exchanging cryptocurrency. And why I like it is it's very good for beginners for doing research, and it gives you a $5 bonus in Bitcoin when you sign up. However, if you hit the link in the description down below and deposit $100, you get an additional $10 in Bitcoin. Shameless plug. Anyway, I decided to sign up for Coinbase to see what all the hype was about. I didn't deposit any money, but I still got my $5 of free Bitcoin. When you sign up, there's tons of informational videos that you can go through, and at the end of them, you're given a quiz. If you get the question right at the end of the quiz, hopefully you do, there's an unlimited amount of attempts, you're given a free cryptocurrency that you watch your video on. Now, you can either sell off that cryptocurrency or you can keep it. I decided to keep it just to see what would happen, and my $0 investment at one point was north of $45, so needless to say, it worked out for me. The next platform we have is Robinhood. Now, Robinhood always seems to be in the news these days, whether it's for GameStop back in January, or they're always seeming to have something in the news for some sort of lawsuit. Anyway, Robinhood is known for never executing your trades on time, sadly. However, Robinhood does have its advantages. It's one of the greatest investing apps for beginners and has tons of great resources. Additionally, you can buy Dogecoin on it, something that Coinbase does not allow you to do. So in that regard, I guess Robinhood does have some advantages. However, the biggest problem with Robinhood is the fact that they don't allow you to actually use your cryptocurrency as currency, as you're not given any sort of wallet code, and you just actually have to store and buy and sell your cryptocurrency on Robinhood. The lack of not having a crypto wallet has led many people away from the Robinhood platform and onto other platforms such as Coinbase, Uniswap, and Voyager. Hopefully in the future, Robinhood will expand their features, but for now, there's other alternatives. With that said, that's going to do it for this video. Thanks everyone for watching. As always, make sure to do your own research, especially when it's around cryptocurrency. Again, if you're interested in getting a free stock from Robinhood or $10 in free Bitcoin from Coinbase, hit the link in the description down below. As always, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel and comment what you want to hear about in the next video. Until then, happy investing.